Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Bernard Harris here with the Pikes Peak Strategic Group and the Ameriplan Corporation. I want to talk to you about regularly scheduled dental health care for your entire household. A lot of folks wait to the last minute or when there's a major medical issue, that they end up going to visit a dentist and then they get hit with those high costs. Do the normal things as needed so you don't get impacted. You hear that word again with and you have to pay a lot of expenses. Okay, how do we do that? First thing you need to do is join our membership plan, the Dental Plus, for $19.95 a month that covers your entire household. Again, entire household for $19.95. Now, what do you get with that? Not only dental, but you get vision, prescription, and chiropractic care. But let's go back to that dental because it is extremely important to your overall health. Folks, you need to do the preventive maintenance, which includes a yearly exam and a cleaning. You have no idea how important this is to your overall health. Now, saving money with the Ameriplan, on average, for the exam, you're going to save 73%. A lot of folks will say, well, I get a free cleaning and a free exam with my insurance. Ladies and gentlemen, it is not free. I'm telling you up front, it is not free. You're paying exorbitant prices for a family of four, which can reach up to $130 to $150 a month. You're going to get that same care with the Pikes Peak Strategic Group, the Ameriplan Corporation, for $19.95 a month for the membership. The membership, and that will include your cleanings. And your cleanings, you're going to save up to 61%. The average cleaning is $123 to $150. I'm saying 150 because I saw it on TV a couple of nights ago. For us, that cleaning is $48. So why not take the entire household, schedule an appointment, and folks, look where you live. Look in your zip code. We have 80,000 plus dentists in our program across the nation. 80,000. One of them is going to be close to you. Do that preventive care. Sign up first, do that preventive care, stay healthy, especially during these trying times, i.e., this coronavirus that's affecting our entire nation. Step forward, take good care of yourself, but save money, keep money in your account. If you need to contact us, the information's at the bottom of this video. Text, call, email, it's all there. Thank you very much. Have a great day.